Hello, in this video we will work on positive money thoughts. For the setting to work, free your mind from negativity. But you need to work on yourself every day. Only in this case you will get the result. Therefore, let's get started. Repeat after me. I deserve only the best. I bet on money and wealth. All my financial savings have God's blessing. I am generous, and everything that I give to people comes back to me like a boomerang in 3 times. I deserve my income. My income grows regardless of my employment. My finances work for me. I can afford everything I need to feel comfortable and at ease. My choice is a financially stable life with an income that meets all my needs. It is easy for me to become a rich person as financial flows flow to me on their own. Success, wealth, and luck are attracted to me. Any idea I have helps me become more wealthy every day. Today I am rich, and tomorrow I will be even richer. I have everything to fulfill my main dream. I am able to earn so much money that I can afford anything. At any moment, I have enough money. My financial stability depends only on me and my abilities. I think like a rich man because I am. My whole life is filled with abundance and eternal celebration. Prosperity has opened the door to my life. I thank the universe for all the financial flows pouring into my life. I call great financial flows into my being, for I have made such a decision. Wealth flocks to me, thanks to the fact that I stop my resistance. I have the right amount of time, talent, and energy to achieve all of my goals. Money is attracted to me like a magnet since I decided that I would be rich. I vow to be a part of the abundant universe, for I have the right to do so from the moment of my birth. All my desires harmoniously fit into my life. I always win in financial games. I intend to become an incredibly rich man. I devote all my energy to the fulfillment of my material desires. I call for large streams of money. From now on, my dreams become an integral part of my life. Cash flows are attracted to me anywhere in the world. I can convince the universe that I deserve to be a fabulously rich person. It is written in the book of my life that I must be rich, so I accept what was destined for me by fate with great gratitude and a pure heart. My mind accepts the fact that I am fabulously wealthy. My thinking is the thinking of a wealthy person. I think like a millionaire. My mind is free to generate new creative ideas that help me become richer every day. From now on, we are one with wealth. I accept the position of a rich and successful person. I call great wealth into my life. I am happy because my life is abundant and money flows to me from different sources. My main decision in life is to be a prosperous person. The universe fulfills all my desires, and I answer it with gratitude. My gratitude to the universe is a strong energy that helps me achieve all my goals. My positive and strong will help to attract large financial flows at this very moment. My intentions are clear and free from psychological blocks in order to achieve more and more success on the path to financial independence. I do whatever is necessary to attract wealth into my life. I feel how the universe gives me blessings, and my choice is a rich, fulfilling life. I have access to endless financial flows. I never despair, for the universe always takes my side. The universe is giving abundance to my life. My confidence is strengthened by the firmness of my positive beliefs. I think like a prosperous person in this and all the days of my life. My savings are increasing daily, and I see myself as a man bathed in abundance. My riches are attracted to me due to my positive and joyful attitude. I can clearly see that I receive large sums of money. Money is a powerful energy that flows into my successful life. I feel like a very rich person, and I am. The universe has long planned my prosperity, and even if it seems that everything is not going according to the right scenario, the result will be my success. If you want to know how to attract wealth and financial abundance into your life, watch this video